Hello, doctor. My name is Timothy Feuling, and I am the president of Chiropractic Benefit Services Malpractice Program. Our family has been in the chiropractic profession for 40 years now, and for the last 20 years, we've been providing the profession with chiropractic malpractice insurance, as well as disability and life and auto and home and commercial and general and business. We can pretty much be your one-stop shop for malpractice insurance and all the other insurance services that you need in your life right now. I'm very excited to share with you just for a few minutes exactly what we do have to offer you. This is not meant to be a commercial. It's more meant to be extremely informal and just to let you know that I'm 100% relationship based. So for those of you that are watching this right now that are already clients of mine, you know that I'm always in it to win it. I mean, I'm here for a win-win relationship with every single doctor that I do business with. And so my friendships, my social circle is all chiropractic. And I love chiropractic with every ounce of soul in my body. As you can see behind me, I've got BJ and Mabel up on the wall. I'm one of the largest chiropractic collectors actually in the world. And I look forward to the opportunity to be able to serve you as well for your chiropractic malpractice business. However, I know I need to earn your business. This is not something where just because I'm who I am and I feel the way I am and you're watching this video that all of a sudden I have the right for your business, and I understand that. I truly feel that people need to earn business. So the way I'd like to earn your business is, number one, let you know that my staff, the 12 brokers that work for us, CNA, our $60 billion A-rated underwriter, we synergistically work together to make sure that we exceed the expectations of every doctor and every client that we serve. We are here to literally cater to you as far as what you need. Do you need limit increases? Do you need a deck page for a screening you're doing? Do you need to go part-time? Do you need to go full-time? Do you need to suspend your policy? Do you need help with a current claim? What is it you need right now? That's always real important, that we're exceeding your expectations at every angle and every stop. Also, it's very important to us that we know that we're providing you with the broadest policy form coverage available in the country. And so that's one of the things I've always been very proud about. At the end of the day, the price of your malpractice policy, yes, of course it's important, especially in spite of the economy right now. However, at the same time, what's more important is that you have coverage that actually triggers when an event occurs in your life that for you feels like the world's closing in on you. And so, which is what it feels like a lot of times when you get a claim, when you have a board issue, if you get accused of sexual misconduct when you did nothing wrong, if you have a HIPAA violation, whatever it might be, you guys, you can be accused of anything. And at the end of the day, it doesn't mean you did anything wrong. You need somebody there to be at your back. You need somebody to be protecting you. And that's how we are. We're a watchdog malpractice program that's here to make sure that our chiropractors are well protected. So I just want you to know that you've got a chiropractic family that's extremely passionate about serving chiropractors. You're our family, and as far as we're concerned, you know, we get bloody in the knuckles for you, fighting to make sure that you're taken care of. The next thing, obviously, is getting a little bit into the broad policy coverage. So we've got full consent to settle, which means you have the right to take your case all the way to the courtroom. We have $30,000 in professional board dispute defense. Most companies do not offer that much coverage, and we do it because we want to make sure that every doctor is protected to a limit that would not be surpassed by any type of board issue going on, which we've never had that surpassed yet. We give full sexual misconduct defense, which means we're not one of these companies that puts a limit on how much we'll pay, because we've had those cases cost anywhere from $100,000, $125,000, $150,000 in defense to take care of our chiropractors in the past. We also have HIPAA defense. We have first aid coverage. We have deposition reimbursement. You guys, this policy is very broad. It's a wraparound policy that makes sure every single one of my doctors is almost as though you're in an armored truck. You know, and you're very well protected from anything that could happen to you. You also want to get a really good business owner's policy, general liability insurance policy, because you need to protect your business interests too, okay, outside of the malpractice arena, and we can do that for you also. It's also very important to take care of your family. And what does that mean? Life insurance and disability insurance. I would never underplay those two things. I have both of them on myself or my family. My wife and family are very well protected. God forbid I die, which I hope I don't soon because I'm enjoying my life. And so, but anyway, I want you to know we're here for you. We do have very competitive pricing. I'm not going to say we're the cheapest game in the town. We're also not the most expensive game in town. I'd say we're right there in the middle. And again, we're priced appropriately for the litigation environment that you're in right now in your state and your county, and for the policy coverage that we're offering all of our doctors. And so the great news is that we've got thousands and thousands and thousands of chiropractors all over the country insured by us. And so that buys us bargaining power with our underwriters. And so we bring that to you in the form of, competitive pricing. So I encourage you to get a hold of me. My phone number is 866-851-4636. Talk to one of my brokers, one of my client reps, and get a policy comparison, get a rate comparison, and ask whatever questions you want. But we're here to serve you. And this is not a game to us. This is not about dollars and cents to us. This is about taking care of our comrades, to literally taking care of all of our doctors, our larger 60,000 base family that wants to know that somebody that truly cares about them with integrity and with ethics and with professionalism is going to be there to take care of them. And that's what we're all about. So I look forward to hearing from you. I hope you'll be proactive and make this call or get onto our website at cbsmalpractice.com. Take you 60 seconds to fill out a quick quote form and get that into us, and we'll get you back some quick quotes. You can also fill out a disability quick quote form there, and we'll get you quotes on that. But take the time to do it, Doc, because honestly, I've seen too many chiropractors who've called me who got dropped by their other insurance company because they got a malpractice case and they either were or weren't covered. Maybe the company settled out on them because they don't have a huge financial underwriter behind them. Maybe the company didn't understand the way they were practicing versus the way they viewed chiropractic and they settled out on them. Whatever it might be, get a hold of us. And for those of you doctors that do have a sexual defense hit against you, that do have 4 malpractice claims, we also have surplus lines underwriters that we can write a policy through for you. So we can pretty much take care of anybody and everybody in the marketplace right now. And that's always been my aim. I don't want to be the biggest. I've always just wanted to be the best, and to have doctors really appreciate the fact that Tim Feuling and his staff and his team of client reps and brokers are taking great care of them. So that's enough said. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful 2010. Take care now.